So this is my last sem in college, so get ready with me for school, and today I'll wear something pink and green. Kita nyo naman, may pink tsaka may green. Exactly. I got this sa Ukay as well. Nakalimutan ko na 10 pesos at or 5 pesos. Basta sa Dipolog ko ito nabili. Now, hindi lang ako sure kung paano natin siya isa-style. Na-wear ko na siya before with a pink skirt, so let's not do that again today. So let's think of something else. May white siya here, kwelyo niya, so maybe we can wear a white skirt. Simple lang, ganun. Main reason that I bought this top is because of the color talaga. Like, look at it. Tingnan nyo, it's so... Ang ganda ng kulay. Okay, anyway, this is how the skirt and the top looks pag ganun lang sila. Wait, should we just wear this like this or gawin natin siyang layer? Kasi normally I would wear this as a layer na parang may inner inside and then layer to. Pero wait lang. What do you think about this? Okay lang, no? I really love the color, guys. The color. Okay, so here it is. Tapos pink yung shoes. What do we think? I like it. I like it. Okay, now for the bag. Pink or white? White. Para may babagayan si skirt. Oh, also, another detail sa bag is that meron siyang green accessory. Exactly. So this is our final look for school. This is from Ukay. This is from Ukay as well. Ito, dito ko nabili sa school. And then ito, orange. Yeah! I'll be heading to school now, and as usual, see you on Instagram. Bye-bye!